Okay guys, today I have something awesome that I just got. So guys, I'm gonna get it. Okay. I got a Nintendo Switch.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! And I got one game. I got Splatoons 2.
Nice.
So guys, let's open this thing up. Which side? Okay. Oh my. So these are the two control panels that go. So I got a red one. I didn't get the black one, guys, because I thought red and blue would be more fun.
Definitely a same one.
Okay, let's get this out. Okay, got it. So guys, this is the screen. So I think we just slip these guys in. Ooh, I did it. Oh, I got the Nintendo Switch.
Oh, that's pretty dope.
Hey, well, we got my
Hey, Will, that's actually kind of dope.
Nice boy. Oh, yeah, let's see what this is. Oh, this is for if you want to put it up on the TV. Yes, I got that. So if you put the two panels on that, and then it's like a game remote.
Oh, nice.
How do you take this off?
Oh, look for a release button.
Oh, I found it. It's a tiny button.
Nice.
See right there? It's a tiny button right there.
Wait, that
That teeny button.
Oh, wow.
It releases them. So guys, so look, you get this. You slide them down this. See, look, it's turning into a controller.
That is so
It's your
cool.
own Nintendo Switch.
Now, I just had a thought.
What?
You gotta never lose one of those pieces when you're, when you take it off. That would
Okay.
stink.
Yeah, bro. Alright, so, oh yeah. This is if you want to put this on your hand. Like, so look. Mom, look.
Okay.
Like this, it hangs.
Oh. Why would you just want one?
Oh, it doesn't hold two.
Yeah, what is that? What's that for? I wonder. What's the release on there?
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
That one seems a little tougher.
Oh yeah, because I didn't slide in. Okay, got it. Wait.
So what do you use that little
This
hanging
little
thing
guy
for?
is. You got this so you can tighten it on your wrist.
Yeah, but so is that when you do like a one-handed game or
when
something?
you do like a one-handed game.
Interesting. I wonder what kind of game that would be.
Yeah. So guys, we have more stuff that I'm gonna do. Let me put this on first.
Hey, is that another one of those one-handed things? Okay, so can
Oh,
you
yeah,
like do
you
it,
can do
split
it
it
on
up, and
both
and
sides.
do it with somebody else or something?
Yeah, you could do other
Oh,
people.
or like separate your hands if you're doing like
Oh, yeah.
nunchucks or I don't know, what's the two-handed
So
thing?
guys, let's get this over here. I think this is our powered. I think this is our charger that we have. It's this.
It looks
cool
like it.
thing.
That might be one of the cords that goes to the TV, actually, buddy, to connect it to
yeah.
the TV. I believe.
So maybe
So.
let's put that right there.
Alright.
Okay, let's get this. Oh, this is the charger.
Yeah,
That's the charger.
definitely gonna need the charger. Yeah.
So
Hey, you should see if it's charged up already or not.
here, wait. I don't know how to turn it on. I'll check in a second, guys. So this is my charger. Oh yeah, Mom.
What is it? Is that the TV
TV
mount?
part, I think. Yep, it's
cool.
the TV mount. Oh, and this is the charger, I think.
Oh, it charges it too. That's
I
cool.
think you plug it up to this,
Oh, yeah.
and then it
That
charges.
makes sense. Okay.
Here, wait, let me see.
Where's the switch thing on the front of it? The little.
So-
Let's see.
Oh yeah, I think you plug this up.
Oh yeah. Here,
and
turn
then-
it toward me. Let me see the switch. Thing. Oh yeah. Pretty sweet.
Okay, let's put this right here. So guys,
Alright.
let's open up my game now. Okay, got the fish. Okay, I don't need this right now.
Let's see if it's charged when you turn it on.
Yeah, I want to get this game out first, Mom. Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, because I guess you gotta have a game to put in it, right?
Yep.
I mean.
So I do not know what the games look like. So. This is my little brother.
Photobomb.
Hello.
So, Emmett, could you get me a knife or something? Could you give me a butter knife?
You got sweatpants.
Yep, this is my little brother, and
I'm Emmett.
yep. Go and subscribe to his channel, Life According to Emmett. I don't want to break this thing. I'm just trying to get it open. Oh, I got it.
Okay, Will's gonna have to play the first Splatoon.
Okay, guys, if you guys, I'm gonna post another video, and it's gonna be showing you like me playing this. It's gonna be awesome.
And me playing this.
Yeah, it's gonna be, but this is the unboxing.
Dude, this thing is cool.
The
I
unveiling.
was like red on that side, blue on that side.
Yeah, I didn't
Super
get the black
awesome.
in it. So look, guys, this is tiny.
That's the game?
Yeah.
What?
So look,
That
right
Where
here.
do you put it in?
Dude, you could lose those games so
Oh,
easy.
game card.
Holy guacamole.
I think you do this,
That's not good. I hate when they have teeny tiny games.
but
I
you
hate it.
slip
I
it
should
in,
say hate,
and
sorry.
it
I
stays in
strongly dislike it.
there. Yeah, it stays in there.
Yeah.
Look.
Until you take it
Look,
out
and
and lose it.
Let's see. I'm
Oh,
not
that's
gonna lose
Splatoon's 2.
They have a thing. where
Emmett,
you
have you
plug-
seen that game too? Have you seen that game?
You can plug your phone in, guys.
What?
Dude,
Wait,
let's
wait,
put
wait,
the
Emmett,
game in.
wait up.
Let's put the game in so we
Okay,
can
good
play
teamwork. Good teamwork.
Yeah.
Makes the dream work.
it. Okay, the
Okay,
game's
let's
in.
look. Oh, there's the power button. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a volumes.
Are you so excited?
No, it's-
Oh my mom. I'm gonna.
Oh yes. Oh, I have to log
Oh.
in.
Oh,
Wait,
crap.
they're America.
It's all the setting up.
What do I do? What do
I
I do?
think Mommy needs to help you
Do I
set
do
it
it?
up.
Okay,
How
we'll
about
pause the video. We'll get back in a second, guys. Bye. I'll get back to you in a second.